Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. Gotta love having a rooster. All right, last night, actually, let's just start with yesterday. Yesterday was a lot of fun. The prep wasn't hard, but there was plenty to do. I basically had, like always, but I had all that prep done by about 11 o'clock, including uh, doing the bacon and getting the minced onion cooked up and the meatball, mixture together. All that was done before 11. Busy, busy day. So, last night, the culinary expedition was in full force where I prepared Swedish meatballs. Now, Robin and I discussed it at length last night. Yes, Robin was over last night. She came over after work. She wanted to have the Swedish meatballs. Um, we discussed it again at length. The gravy is the star of the show. Both the meatballs and the gravy are very flavorful. The meatballs are very simple, extremely simple, with the ingredient wise. But the gravy is the star. We both agreed a must repeat. Yeah. I served the meatballs and gravy with a roasted garlic butter Parmesan potatoes. They were okay. They could have been a little more crisper. I'm working on that. And I've read an article in the last few days, and I'll get you more about that, about the article. So yeah, tonight, we're staying in Sweden, but this is not an official visit. When I was doing the research last week for recipes, this one caught my eye, and I really wanted to try it. I'm not even gonna put in the Swedish yellow split pea soup. You know how I'm a big fan of lentils, or dal. So I said, let's try this. So let's get to it. All right, and we got some basic ingredients: a little bit of oil, not much, kosher salt, black pepper, yellow split peas, aka yellow lentils, aka yellow dal, and I can't remember the Hindi word for it. Okay, and then we got, I'll do about a cup or so of chopped yellow onion, about 3/4 cup or so, probably a little more because I like carrots, of chopped carrots. It calls for flat leaf parsley, but unfortunately I couldn't get it this last time, so I have what I call it the curly Q parsley, a little bit of dill, and of course water, straight old water. So as you can see, it's real simple. I'm always in the lookout for simple, um, substantial yellow dal or yellow split pea recipes. I kind of fell in love with them, being married to Veena in the Indian culture. So yeah, this one caught my eye. It was like really neat to see it in Sweden. Like cool. So yeah. So on this hump day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.